Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, in today's video guys, we'll show you where to find the relay for the heater on your BMW guys E46. This one will be the generation 3 series from year 1998 to year 2006. We will also guys have more than 200 videos on this car because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. Let us know if it was helpful or if you have any recommendations. So if your heater or climate control doesn't work guys, we'll show you guys which relay to check. So let's go ahead, show you now where it's located and what I'm talking about. You also guys have a couple of fuses that you need to check, so always check those first, but this BMW has the climate control right there. If you have the climate control or the manual things, I think the relay will be the same. So let me show you now where it's located. First guys, okay, you will need to go ahead and remove your glove box. The whole video guys is on the channel from start to finish. Okay, this is the glove box out of the vehicle. You will need to remove it. It has, okay, 2 clips here that we removed and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 screws that we removed. The video again will be on the channel. And you know, once you open your glove box guys, here on top usually, okay, that's where your fuses are. You can reach them without removing the glove box. But where are the relays? Right here on the back, okay, you will have one nut there. You remove that nut and you can pull it down. That's where your relays are located. And relay guys number 4, okay, relay number 4 will be this relay right here. You start this way, 1, 2, then you have, okay, relay number 3 and relay number 4 right there. This relay guys is for the heater, relay number 4 in most cases, okay, in most cases it's green. It could be different color as well. You can guys check it out on the channel, okay, in the description of the video below where we get our replacement ones from. So let me go ahead and remove it now. So we'll try to hold the camera like that to see if I can do that. So let's hold it up a little bit. Okay, perfect. And once you pull it down, okay, you just grab it. It's a little bit of limited room guys, so let me see if I can just pry it out. Okay, and this is guys the relay right there, and that's the relay for the heater. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you having problems with your climate control or heater. Thank you for watching guys. Please hit that subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.